Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about what is research. Research is basically a way of getting knowledge and information about a particular thing, particular topic, a particular problem or any sort of other thing. So like we Google something and get information about that topic is this also some sort of research? No, that's not some sort of research. Research is actually a systematic way of getting result. In this way we make particular conclusions, we draw deductions, we make hypotheses and then test that hypothesis to reach to a particular conclusion. So that's some sort of research, but research is like we said, we can say that necessity is the mother of invention. Like Thomas Edison invented bulb, but that was also research. But to how he reached to how he reached to the bulb is by passing through the path of research. So this is the research. So research, what is research? What is the meaning of research? According to Clifford Woody, research comprises the defining and redefining of problem. Like nowadays we are facing the problem of COVID-19. So what will be the research? Research will be the defining and redefining of problem like COVID, and now then formulation of a hypothesis or suggestion and suggesting solutions. Like we can formulate a hypothesis that COVID-19 is because of some type of mutation or some or by man-made or laboratory-made, or we can say that it is natural, it is by God. So formulation of hypothesis and then come to a particular solution or conclusion is also in the domain of research. And then collection of data, organization of data and evaluation of data. So these three things are also in the way of research. And at the and also the making of deductions. After for three process we move towards making of deductions, and then after these reaching to the conclusion, and at the end we test carefully the conclusion we have drawn from doing research, and then determine whether they fit the formulating hypothesis or not. Like I have already told you, let's suppose we have hypothesis like the COVID-19 is a man-made or laboratory-made or some sort of natural thing. How we come to that conclusion? We will come to that conclusion after testing our hypothesis, and after doing the throughout research. After passing through a systematic way of learning, we will come to that particular point.